Wow. Just wow. Look at that. What's up, everybody? Just checking out this new Vision Pro stuff. I mean, it's just, look at the detail on this thing. It is like you'd actually think it was there. And then all I have to do is just pin it right here and it should stay. The Vision Pro is just changing everything. I mean, this is a game changer. You can see I'm just working on this video right now. The detail of everything. I mean, this is seriously game changing. You can see if I swipe, I can change the time of day. See that? And I just change the time of day just like that. Get to it. Okay, so as you can see here, I have this monitor here, and it's incredibly, like, it's so cool because it seems like it's here, and then the keyboard it's right there, and like you can just type on it, and then they have the mouse. I mean, and then I've this, it's just incredibly lifelike cup of coffee, and then my MacBook here that's here. This is actually an Apple Pro blanket, and as you can see, it's incredibly lifelike. It's just, look at it go. These are Vision Pro, and the bed is real. You know what? I'm forgetting which parts are real and which parts aren't. I mean, this is how much I'm enjoying this Vision Pro thing. I put various paintings and some Pringles. Honey, what are we having for dinner tomorrow? Anyways, so I really enjoy my Vision Pro. But this is incredibly lifelike. Like you can put movies. I can put movies over here, and then I can have video games and a calendar while my hand comes into the coffee, and then I go, and I go, oh wow, and then I come back to my digital blanket here, and I go, it's not even here. And then I come over here. Actual medication. This isn't real. I don't know how to play this instrument, but it's a Vision Pro model, and I put it out here just to feel like I'm an instrumentalist, you know what I mean? Because I mean, it's incredibly lifelike. I don't know if you can see my gestures, but you can hear it go boom, boom. I just did it. It's incredibly lifelike. This is actually where I put my garbage. This is just exciting. The world is changing. I mean, this is an exciting time to live. And as you can see, I'm in the Vision Pro right now, and this is typically what I wear in my house when I'm around other people or with my friends. I can shower now, and I can put news and stocks up here that I draw on, and and I get text messages right here. It's excellent. I never have to face a day of reality again. Anyways, this has been a Daniel Different review of the Vision Pro, and I really want you guys here to really subscribe and touch all the buttons. This has been a super cool moment with a super cool guy who's just being super cool today. And I just wanted to let you guys know that this is a super cool life that we have. And my Vision Pro is the best thing that's ever happened to me. And no, we're not a completed project yet. So you have to realize, Vision Pro is kind of completing us, guys, and like as you can see from like my digital monitors and stuff, it's excellent.